This YouTube channel Mouse Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Diamond VPN on all devices and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case of any problem, as usual, Mouse Tech has opened the comment section. You're going to be enjoying, and then you are free to ask any form of question provided it fits with the community guidelines. So let us start set up our trade. Don't forget to like the video. First and foremost, open your Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to just hit a pass and activate your search bar. After activating your search bar, search Diamond, as in diamond, a mineral VPN, and then make sure that during the download process you have any running data bundle of about like 14 MBs. Choose this VPN application in your results. Take note of the app icon and then take a note of the app name. And then I would emphasize you guys to take note of what we call the developer's name, because many people are out there don't know. Take note of that developer's name, VPN Internet. We're going to be providing you with a fast, a secure, and stable internet in all countries and on all networks. So, download, install, like the video, subscribe, and then open. Allow all permissions, including a notification permission, and also this app may request to use the background data. For all you guys who have disabled the background data like me, allow the background data. The reason why I disable background data is to make my phone smoother, and I will make a video on that. Reasons why we disable background data. Now, allow, and then after allowing, you're going to come right here. I'm going to make this tutorial more friendly, step by step, that even if you have never set up any VPN application, you're going to be enjoying a step-by-step guide. No complicated tech words, no complicated science words. I don't. I make tutorials to communicate, not to confuse. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. So we're going to come where you see update right there, and then update your servers. Give it some few seconds, a maximum of 15 seconds to update until you see this word no updates are available. Once you see no updates available, just know that you are on the right track. You're going to set this application and it will work. Once you don't see that word, keep updating the servers until you see no updates are available, so that you can enjoy a fast, a secure, and stable internet access on your device. Then after, you're going to come right here where you see UDP01, and then after, check right there. That is an advert. Give it some few seconds, a maximum of 3 seconds to complete as you subscribe and like the tutorial, and then close the advert. We are seeing in many servers, as you see, we have this one, but I will be explaining some explanations on what we call 250 and 28. Some have 66 and then the 250. I think 66, that is the pink or latency. I mean the first column, because once I see 66, many of you may be confused. I mean this one. Let me show you, my dear subscribers. This one, where I'm placing that line, that is the pink. So keep in mind that a smaller ping equals to a faster internet. Just keep that in your mind. And now you are free to choose wisely which ping are you going with. 250, it is the limit, the maximum or the limit of the ping. Just know that if it reaches 250, it is a slower connection. Choose wisely your server, because they are all from one country. But keep in mind that if you choose the auto select server, it gives a better performance. Sorry, If you keep in the auto select server, you will enjoy a better performance. Now, what I do to my subscribers, I always recommend them not to be choosing servers. I always recommend them to choose the auto select server, but you can also manually select a server, provided you understand what you are selecting. Because once you select a server with a higher ping, it will provide you with a slower connection. That is it. Now select auto server and then allow the background data, but may I refuse to allow it for some reasons. Now we're going to come right here where you see all network. We have put a tick and then select. That is another advert. Don't fear. Give it some few seconds to complete. As you subscribe, like the tutorial, and then share this tutorial to your friend. The advert has completed. Let us close it, and then you're going to be seeing these ones. These are the networks, but I always recommend my viewers to either choose this if your country supports UDP, or choose this if your country supports OpenVPN. Now I will test using the OpenVPN, but let me test using the UDP because they are all working. Now if time elapses, as you see, let me show you something right here, dear viewers. You see time is moving here. Now to add more time, we're going to come and check there. Simple. And then after, you're going to go to the last step where you're going to be connecting right there. Go right here where I'm pointing and then press, and then we'll be able to accept the connection request. The VPN application is requesting you. Now it has connected successfully. Now, what if it fails to connect? First way to go, because it may fail to connect when you have done all. Now, you're going to do this if it fails to connect on your network. You're going to first put aeroplane mode on and then off. We're going to try to clear the app data. We're going to try to clear the cake. That is it. And let us meet in our next tutorials. I'm Marustek. You can check the end screen videos to view more videos. I've put some videos on the end screen. You can watch them and enjoy a fast, stable, and a secure internet in all countries. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustek and I sign out.